2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7. So out of the 7 chicks, I have 3 little girls like you. Come here. Yes, yeah, little girl. Look at that. Yeah. Hang on. No, I'll let you go in a minute. So look at you. Huh? You're so pretty. Go on then. 3 little white girls. Oh, jolly. There's another one. And 4 little boys. Those 2. That was the lonely chick. Off he goes. He's actually started crying. And the blue one, or grey. There you go. Frankie, what are you doing in there? Come on. Come on, you're not going to lay an egg in there. Go on with you. That's Peachy. He's a little boy though, aren't you? Yeah, you can't see much, can you? No. A bit like Phoenix, that one, aren't you? And here he is. You're so handsome, aren't you? Yes, you are. Look at you. Look at you. Hang on. There we go. You're a beautiful little boy. Yes, you are. We'll keep you, huh? Hang on. Whoa. Oh, calm down. Well, you got like a partridge neck. Yeah. See those streamers? Alright. Don't worry. I'm not going to hurt you. Mulberry comb. I know. And you're just a cutie. And look at those beautiful blue ears. Gee, let's have a look at your little wing. Come on, now, calm down. Don't go flapping. No, flapping. Oh, all right. Don't you worry. Difficult one-handed, isn't it? Go on then. Boop. Off you go then. You want a treat? Comes the rain, girls. Oh, boys. Here comes the rain. Take your time.